Hello, I'm Ken Madden and welcome to the Goldstrike video installation series. Today we will be installing our caliper covers to our 2018 Goldwing. They're very simple to install. With one tool is all you need. So if you like this video, please subscribe down below as we'll be doing more and more videos. And let me get to installing this and showing you how to do it. All right, let's get started. But before we go, I want to show you this is our fork cover. I'm showing it in being installed with this fork cover because if you have this fork cover, there's only one thing you need to do, and that's loosen this bolt slightly. You just want to be able to get behind it so this wiggles a little bit because the caliper cover needs to slide up back there. You'll see that in a minute. The kit comes with this adhesion promoter primer. It can be a stick like this, or it might be a packet that you rip open like a wet nap packet. But you'll want to take this and cover this surface after you've cleaned it with some Windex, some ammonia-based glass cleaner. Get anything off there so it's perfectly clean. And then like with these, if you have this style, you just press this button. You'll hear it snap. Shake it up, and you'll see it. You'll see the fluid start coming to the end. Once you get it in there, you want to get this good and wet. The whole area, this whole flat part right here. Now, make sure it's good and wet. Do both sides. So this is the right side. Do the right side and the left side at the same time. I'm just going to show you the right side. Everything that we're doing on this side works on the left side too. But do this on both sides because there's only so much in here and it dries really fast. So you want to let that dry. Give it 5 minutes or so it's completely dry, and we'll come back to it. I've allowed this to dry for 5 or 10 minutes here. So the next step is to install the bracket. The bracket's going to go on right there just like that. So these long legs are towards the front of the bike, the short legs are towards the back. So take your liner off like this. You want to place that on, just like so. Now I just like to just barely touch it on there, so it's just barely touching for the minute. And then you can get this up under here. You just check the fit and make sure you're going to get to the holes and they're going to fit okay. Like that looks pretty good there. Those holes fit right in there nice. So that clips, it'll click in just like that. Now you can press on that a little bit. That'll hold it on there. Then give it some real pressure. You want to make sure that one's stuck on there good. Now that that's stuck on, it's good and solid on there. We can put this back on. Again, if you have this cover, you just have to slide this up under that lip there. We'll tighten that down. And these bolts here, or the screws that go inside of these little bosses, they'll snap in like that. And you just put these in. Now the only tool you're going to need for this whole operation is a 4mm Allen hex key. One. There's two. And there's three. With that, you're done. It's that simple. So the other side is exactly the same. Wipe off your fingerprints there, make it look all nice. And that's a great look. Again, installation on these is, 5 minutes aside if you take your time. So figure 10 minutes for this whole project. You can do it in your garage right on the floor just as easy as you do it on a lift. So if you like this, we got lots more videos to come. So click the subscribe button below and feel free to share this with your friends that also have GL1800s. Thanks.